world plan? Or do you want to make the world to be a better place? Or do you want to be a member of the project doing to reduce the CO2 around the world? So if you are, keep watching this video. Around the world, there's a lot of people doing the project to reduce the CO2 with the reducing transportations or planning or there's a lot of way doing to reduce the CO2. How about you? You want to try this? So I want to introduce with one of the application that I made it. So the reason they are doing to reduce the CO2 is to get the fresh air again. So my project name is inspired from them, that is fresh O2. So here is the fresh O2 app. So you can see this by touching that you will see the login page. It was quite similar to do this. There's a special feature included in that application is get views. You wonder what are we doing in the project before you sign in, before to register. You can see there with a get view. In the get view, you will see that our media, it was in that media around the world, there's a lot of people posted about their activity, maybe about the new plan, maybe about their knowledge, maybe about about their process. So everything is on the media. So and then the next section is event. So in that also our program is are posted on that section too. So if you like it, please register it right away. After the login, you can upload a photo and then you can edit your name. So what you are seeing is my account and also also my login too. So which my profile, and you will see that as usual. So in the media, there's a lot of people sharing, as I mentioned that before. In the event section, you will see a lot of category here. So my including challenging, guideline, events, and even plan short is also included. And you will see that as a coupon, there's a reward point. The sign is clover. It's a clover in this application. Clover is a reward sign. So let's see the reward point. So we can see that according to the reward point, we can buy some kind of start is free, some kind of start is discount. So in that event session, if you try this one of the events like one of the event you will try, we got a lot of rewarded, and also like this kind of challenge included in the event session. Okay, so the next thing is camera session. If you click on the camera session, you will see the two guidelines for the camera. So one is a photo of cops and the next is video. So when you take a picture of that, you have to follow two main rules. So the very first thing is you have to capture not only the plane, you have to capture with plane and you. So that is a camera session rule. Alright, and the next thing, video session. In this video session, you have to take more than 10 seconds. The thing that you have to show this how you planning and then how you glow your planes or something else. So it's more than 10 seconds. So if you like it, so if you like it to take a photo, yes, just take photo, clip that. If you try save, they will scan this. They will scan it. Did you follow the rule that we made it, or did you like something make it extra? The extra meaning, if your plan is including the affected tree that's supposed to reducing CO2, we call that extra reward. So based on your choice, camera or photo, your reward is different. But if you are tree included as the affected tree, you will got the extra reward. And in this, there's a 2 point is as extra reward. So if you're accepted, you can go to the gallery. So in that gallery, you will see the history that you captured as with the date. So we'll see a lot. So I want to show with the practice. So let's do it. Bro, can you help me with that to take a photo? Thanks. So as you see that before, I try to record my plan, but it's failed. So I take a picture with them. So it might be okay with that. So I go to save thing. Okay, so you could see my photo in my gallery. So the thing that I wanna remind you is in that gallery you can upload the photo in your album, because we limited. If you want to see your photo in the gallery, you have to take with the flash O2 camera. You don't you don't have allowed to use your own camera. If you use this, you cannot upload it on our gallery. Guess get rule. Don't worry, our camera is good quality, so don't worry about this. And also there's a frame session also included. If you choose frame session, you will get more reward. So in the gallery, there's another reward thing is hidden in there. So if you click on the photo that you captured it, you will see that are the data that you have to fill it about your location that you will plan, or another detailed location. And then the next thing is plan shot. Where did you get it? Where did you order it? So if you fill all the data correctly, you can get a reward. So as a special thing in that camera session is you can get a lot of reward by uploading one picture. So I fill the data. Okay, so I fill it. If I will show their media on their media, I will get another extra 2 points. So like a catching is cool, and just clip all the shell, and finally you could see my post on the social media. So I got a 2 like, by the way. Okay, the next section is account. So it's slightly similar with the other app. You could see what you did post, and then the next thing is summary thing. In the summary, you will see your activities in the weekly, or in the week, and you show them weekly. So and then the next thing is your target goal. How many points that you will have to get this man, like this kind, or target goal. You will see that we check. And the next thing is how many carbon dioxide that you reduce in this month by planning thing, or by joining the event. You could you could reduce the CO2. That's why it's showing that. The next thing is account. So you will see a lot of session as well. You will see, and also you can send the feedback, or you can send anything issue that you want to tell about this, and you can click the lockout if you wish. So those are the things that I want to talk about my app. So there's a lot of feature is included in that application, and also it's totally support. I believe that it will totally support to reducing CO2 and making the world to be more greener. I mean, okay, thank you.